Alrighty guys, let's go get my oil changed.
It's so much fun.
Yo, Amsoil. Right, David. Yeah. Alright guys, we're doing Amsoil full synthetic oil on the 5.0. Yeah. Gotta loosen that oil pan nut. But yeah, I've been using Mobile One previously, full synthetic, but I switched over to Amsoil. I heard some good things about it for the 5.0s. And yeah, hopefully it makes my car run good. Look at my engine, bro, that's stock. This is intake, that's it. Yeah guys, it's 8 quarts. And I got the Wix oil filter there. As I said previously, I've been using Mobile One. They're both good. Mobile One, Royal Purple, Amsoil. I bought this through an Amsoil rep. So if you guys need the hookup, just comment down below and I can put the guy's link. And yeah, he gets it for pretty cheap if you need it for any car. Cause I don't think they're available anywhere in stores. You have to buy them online. But yeah, I mean Amsoil is one of the best companies, if not the best, for performance, and especially for your 5.0s. But yeah, I just went ahead and got the regular OE motor oil. Advanced engine protection for the cleaning. I didn't get the signature series. You guys said that the OE one should be good. For NA cars, my car is NA. If you have a boosted car, you said to go with the signature series. But yeah, the OE. Yes, I'm putting the oil pan. Drain plug out right now. David just loosened it. Alright guys, we're just loosening the oil filter. We got all the oil drained. Oh, you're gonna get me copyrighted, David. Oh shit. Calor?
The new filter.
Oh, new filter. I'm David. Dirty. Black. Using Mobile One before, guys. Switch over to Amsoil. hopefully the car feels different, but I mean, I don't know. I don't think I'll feel the difference, but yes sir. Alright guys, we just drained the oil catch can too. Alrighty guys, we just finished the oil change. We got the filter cleaned up. Got the catch can emptied. And yeah. Alright. Back to belly in this. So AMSOIL was the first one, I believe, to come out with synthetic oil, and yeah, they're really good for performance, as far as what I've heard, and yeah, they're really good for these 5.0 Coyotes, and yeah, like I said, if you guys, any of you guys out there that need AMSOIL, I don't think it's available in like retail stores, so you have to like buy it online, and I have a representative. I can get you guys connected with him. If you guys just want to comment down below, I can put his link down there. Or you guys can DM me on Instagram, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and yeah, that was just me changing my oil on my 5.0. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.